Hey guys, Stan Dale, President Florida Suncoast. Hope you're doing well. Hey, we took a weekend off last week and coming starting February. The first 2 weekends are just going to be a blast. So starting this Saturday, the 3rd of February, we're back at Sarasota at BMW Sarasota, and I'm going to drive up and spend a little time with everybody there. And then on Sunday is our annual luncheon at the Hyatt Regency there in Sarasota. So looking forward to that. Remember, we have a quick board meeting from 11 to 12 for those board members and new board members. And then our social starts at noon to 1, and then 1 o'clock our luncheon and presentation. So a lot of things happening. Next Tuesday, you have the outing at St. Pete Clearwater. Jeff's gathering over there, so check that out on the RSVP on the calendar. And then next Saturday, the 10th, holy mackerel, we just loaded up on the 10th. We have 4 different events going on the 10th. It looks like we have the Jacksonville Caffeine and Octane. It looks like we have Lakeland Cars and Coffee. We have the joint drive to Half Shell Dock up in Panama City, and then we have the fun run to Yahala. So all those things going on the 10th. Pick your part of the state where you want to be on the 10th, and something's happening, so you can be there. And then we go into the 17th with Fort Myers Cars and Coffee, and then we'll round up the end of the month as we get a little bit closer. But just a lot of things shaking and baking. Here we go. We're starting 24 off just right. A lot of events on the calendar, so looking forward to it. Hey, I hope you can make it to the, I hope you're on the reservation list for the annual luncheon. We'll give you a recap next week, and probably have a bunch of pictures out there online on the website, so check us out. Until then, hey everybody, happy motoring. We'll see you soon. Have a great week. Bye.